I'm Dan Clark, inducted into the Professional Speakers Hall of Fame, named one of the top 10 motivational speakers in the world, New York Times best-selling author, 37 books, gold record songwriter, blah, blah, blah. I only share my credibility so that you understand why I would volunteer as an unsolicited endorser of the amazing Travis Brady. He is the foremost premier expert in branding. He will take you, figure out what your image is, colors, the right look, and create that website that blows everybody else out of the water. He is, par none, one of the finest video editors, directors, producers, creator of video content that will rival any Hollywood show, especially when he focuses in on creating a documentary on your life, which he's done for some of my most famous friends. And lastly, when you engage with Travis Brady, you get his entire team. You get a world-class videographer in Connor. You get all sorts of experts in graphic design, in copywriting, in positioning, and the A/B testing that goes along with what he's going to create for you to make sure it really does work and exceed your expectations, to draw the attention and develop that clientele that you dream that you deserve to have. I unequivocally, and as a football player whose cholesterol count is higher than my SAT scores, trying to use big words to make Travis Brady sound more credible, bottom line, trust me when I say hire Travis Brady, next generation branding, video production with an entire world-class team behind him to do everything that you dream possible.